Holy shit. My credit score is 850. Oh my gosh. I am now a part of the 1% of people in America that have an 850 credit score. Hey guys, welcome to Never Be Less. I'm going to share with you how to boost your credit and how to get an 850 credit score. Not a lot of people have a credit score that's above 840, and not a lot of people have a credit score of 850. To have a credit score between 850 and 840 puts you in that 1 to 2% bracket of people that will get good deals when it comes to making certain purchase. I am going to share with you 6 things that I've done that you can do yourself to boost your credit score and get a credit score of 850. The first thing you want to do is have at least 2 to 3 credit cards and make sure you have credit card that gives you reward points. When it comes to credit card does one of 2 things. One, it either keeps you in debt to the system, or two, it allows you to leverage the system. I chose to use it to leverage the system. Having 2 or 3 credit cards, what you're going to do next is that you're going to use 7% of one of those credit cards. This is going to keep your utilization rate low. The next thing that you want to do is that you want to use your credit to earn points, not to earn debts. If you have the money in the bank and you have the money on hand and you have the money to spend, use your credit card to make that purchase, and in 5 to 7 days, pay off that purchase that you made using your credit card. Your credit score goes up and down every 7 days. So in 7 days, you will always see an increase on your credit score. The next thing that you need to do to boost your credit score is that you want to make a payment at least twice a month. Have one payment that is automatic. It could be $50 to $150 that you auto pay on your credit card. Your next payment should be 15 days before your due date, and where you'll be paid a portion towards your monthly statement. The next thing that you need to do is also have a blackout date. You need a blackout date of 5 days or 7 days in which you do not use your card. The best thing to do is make sure your blackout date is around your due date. If you choose 5 days, you'll have 2 days before your due date and 2 days after your due date, which will give you 5 days. If you decide to go 7 days, it's 3 days before your due date, 3 days after your due date, and that will give you 7 days. What this does, within your blackout period, you get to see all the pending charges that's been lingering is going to be cleared within your blackout period. And also, if there's any interest that you need to dispute on your card, the blackout period is your best time to dispute those interests. The next thing that you'll then do is that every 15 months, you'll request a credit increase on your credit card. Do not apply for a new credit card. Applying for a new credit card will damage your credit score. Apply for a credit increase on an existing credit card. You're more likely to get an increase on an existing credit card than applying for new credit expecting the amount that you want. I know a lot of people are tempted to get a credit card if they go to Best Buy, if they fly an airline, if they shop at Macy's, if they shop at Target, or a credit card that's been offered to them to make certain purchase. Do not take out a credit card, especially with a business that you barely do business with. I suggest if you're going to take out a credit card, any one of your 2 to 3 credit card, make sure it's with an organization that you normally do business with, so it's easy to increase your credit as you make your payment, because your transaction is something it will be easy for you to manage. So that's it. To boost your credit score and get to that 850, have at least 2 to 3 credit card and make sure they give you reward point. Only get credit card from places that you normally do business with. Make sure you spend 7% of one of those credit cards. The other credit card should be tucked away and don't spend it. If you need to use that credit card in the next 2 years and then put aside the other credit card that you've been using. This is guaranteed to keep your utilization rate low. The next thing is make sure You use your card to make purchases and pay back those purchases that you've made on the card within 5 days. The next thing, request a credit increase on an existing line every 15 months. To have your blackout period where you do not use your credit card so that all those pending charges that's pending, you will see it. And if there's any interest rate, you will see it. Those are the tips and tricks that I've used to boost my credit to 850. Follow them keenly. Not only will you boost your credit, you will also earn points that you could use towards making certain purchase. Remember guys, when it comes to your finances, never be less. And when it comes to your credit score, never be less. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to share this video with your friends and family and people that you know that have a poor credit score and is trying to boost their credit. Share this with them because this works and it gets you to that 850. See you guys in the next video. And remember, repeat after me. I will never be less when it comes to my credit score. Peace.